Hello friends, yesterday we learned about how to read coordinate grid and coordinates on a coordinate grid, and today we're going to be learning how to plot coordinates on a coordinate grid. So if I'm given, I would like you to rip out page 570, and this will be our notes. And then we'll rip out page 571 as well for some examples. But 570 gives you a table. Now, each time you have a table, you can write these in ordered pairs. Like this is 1, 4. And I can make that 1, 4. This is 3, 8. I can make that 3, 8, and so forth. So those are going to be our coordinates that we are going to graph. And remember, we always go over and up. So this is what a line graph would look like if I connected the dots of all the grids. So these are notes that you can use to refer to, but I'm going to show you on my example from page 571. Now glue it up to the top because we're going to be gluing something on the bottom that will show us how to do some examples with word problems. So I'm going to do J. I'm going to go over 2 and up 6. And I'm going to label that J. K is over 6, up 2. And I'm going to label that K. L is over 4, up 5. M would be over 0, up 8. N would be over 3, up 9. V is over 6, up 6. P would be over 1, up 4. Q is over 5, up 0. R is over 7, up 3. S is over 7, up 8. T is over 8, up 1. And U is over 3, up 3. So that is how you would graph points over and up. Now, thinking about word problems and how I can apply that, we're on page 576. I just cut out numbers 7 and 8. And I'm going to show you how to turn in the chart into a graph. So graph the points in the table on the grid at the right and then draw a line through the points. If the pattern continues, how many pages will have been read after 6 hours? Extend our graph to solve. So this is the time read and pages read. So we want to try to figure out 6 if the pattern continues. Okay, so I'm going to do my coordinates 120, 240, 360. Now, how do I know that's first? Because on my graph here, that's what's on the bottom is my time. And then my Y coordinate would be pages read, which is down here. That's why I have it written in that order. 480, 100, and we're going to try to guess based on our pattern if the pattern continues. So I'm going to go over 1 and up to 20, over 2 up to 40, over 3 up to 60, over 4 up to 80, over 5 up to 100. And then I'm going to draw a line to see if this pattern continues. I'm going to keep drawing this line. If the pattern continues, the next one will fall on 6 and 120, and 7 and 140. So I would just keep drawing my line, and as I draw my line, it will go through other coordinates, and those would be the next 320 pages. And that is how you would solve a problem using a coordinate plane.